You become fine just like wine. So the bag was made with two different types of leather.
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to.
Hello icons and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Micheline and this is Hot Millennial, where I share everything fashion and lifestyle vlogs. Please click the subscribe button so you can join the icons club. Also turn your notification bell on for any updates. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's an honest review of the polene bag numero uno. I'm going to give you an updated review of this bag because I've had it for 18 months now. Last year when I firstly got it, I did a review and it's only time that I do another one because I want to share with you guys how this bag has been holding up should you want to buy it. This bag is still standing, is one of the beloved bag in Europe and now in America, so I think it's only right that I do a review. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in watching, please stick around and let's get right into the video. I'm going to start with the composition of the bag. The bag was made with two different types of leather. The full grain textured leather and full grain smooth leather. The majority of the bag is made of textured leather, whereas the foldable part, this right here, the back pocket and the top handle are made with the smooth leather. The difference in the color also adds some beauty to the bag. It also makes it easy to actually differentiate the leather type, which is beautiful. As you can see, the bag has this top handle and the crossbody strap. The crossbody is adjustable. It's actually removable. When I first did the review, I didn't realize it was removable, and that was a con to me. And then one of my viewers commented and letting me know that it actually comes off, which I appreciated because I was like, wow, I would love to have options to style this bag. Even though the bag is quite big, this particular size is good for a daytime bag. This is the reason why it was actually made for daytime. But it's elegant, it's feminine, it is really beautiful, it's chic, it screams that Parisian girl. The strap has the gold details. Even here, you can see the details. Everything is gold. And so is the magnetic button. I have had this bag for 18 months. You can judge by yourself how clean and sturdy the bag is, and the stitches are still looking nice. The bag has two interior pockets that lie on the back of the bag, which is really good for you to maybe store your credit card or anything like that is small. One pocket is super deep. I don't know if you can see it, it's deep. And the other one is actually smaller, which is good for your credit card. The back pocket is also deep enough. Let's say you are traveling, it would be really nice to store your passport for an easy access. So as far as storage, the bag has enough storage in its own, so that is really a pro. I like it. The bag is super, it's quite heavy because of the leather. It only makes sense because this bag was made with really good quality leather, so it's only right that it's quite heavy. If you are a person who doesn't like heavy bags, maybe you want to go with another option as far as the size, because this bag comes in different sizes. This is the biggest one, the numero uno, but it also comes in nano and mini and the mini backpack, but this one is quite heavy. I like the details. I told you earlier about the gold. Even the inside has the gold. The bigger pocket has a zipper, and the zipper is also gold. Also, you see here in the middle it says polene. It's also written in gold. I think those kind of details are really essential. It makes the bag prettier and more elegant. The name outside is hardly seen. You really need to pay attention to see it. It makes it elegant to me because flashy things sometimes can take the elegance away, and the fact that they did it like this is nice to me. Also, the bag, even though it's quite big already, you can make it bigger by opening here. I know you can see it's gold as well. On a day where you have more items in your bag, you can make it bigger You can stretch it by opening those buttons. This bag is super sturdy, which means you won't have to worry about your belongings to be on the floor or the strap bag to come off easily. No, because it is so sturdy, and the strap bag is so well made. Remember, it's made with really good leather. It's sturdy enough and strong enough to stay in place. Just messed up my makeup. Stay in place when you actually carry it as a crossbody bag. Say that as far as removing this, on the day you want to remove it, you need to be careful because it's actually hard to do so. That's the reason why I didn't realize it's actually removable. It really is hard to remove it. At first, this was a cons to me because I was like, I don't need to fight with a bag for me to remove the straps. But then when you think about it, it's actually a good thing because when you have a lot of things in your bag, the bag is super heavy, you don't want this to come off easily. So this is a great thing that they made sure that it's pretty secure and the straps will not break. That's really good because the last thing you want is for you to have your bag as a crossbody and straps break and then you have your bag on the floor. So it's actually a pro. I like it. What fit in this bag? A lot. The bag is 16.5 centimeter deep, 23 centimeter tall, and 32 centimeter wide. So it has enough space in it for you to hold your daily essential. In here, I have, you can see that the bag is actually closed wear. It's not forced. In here, I have a bottle of water. I have my daily vitamins. And I have my notebook, also a few little things as wallet and glasses. So the bag is pretty big for you to have everything that you need. Usually when I'm going to film, shoot content on location, I even hold my camera in it, which is pretty big. So I think if you are looking for a bag that you can hold your daily essential without actually compromising, this bag is the one. Versus to the smaller size. It's really good. It's quite heavy. I've already stated. So once you have other things inside, it will be heavier, but that shouldn't be a problem as long as you are able to have everything that you need in one place, right? So for me, that is a pro. The bag is so sturdy that having things in it will not break it easily. It will not tear the bag. You can see how it is. I have everything I just showed you in it, but yet it's still good and I still have space. This strap is 120 centimeter, which is actually regular, but on a fairly short person, I would think it would be too long. That it would come actually down here, and to me, I don't like that. But because it's adjustable, remember you can make it short to your liking. Even though it's hard to take your time to adjust it, you can shorten the strap on both sides. I have mine on the second hole just as it came, but you have 4 more holes on each side where you can adjust the strap to make it short enough for your height. As far as maintenance, this bag is really low maintenance because of its quality leather. It really is easy to take care of it. According to polene.com, you can clean your bag 3 times a year by applying a clear, nourishing milk or cream. I'm not really sure what kind of cream they are talking about. Also, it says when you are not using it, keep it away from light. Keep it away from light, just store it and away from water as well. But with time, when it gets older, it actually becomes prettier. It becomes fine just like wine, so it looks prettier when it gets older. I like the fact that for over a year that I've had this bag, is still clean. The way you take care of your bag also plays a big role, but the quality of the bag makes it easy for you to take care of it, which is really good because it is a low maintenance. For the quality of it, it's really good. So is this bag really worth it? My answer is big yes. This is such a really good quality bag. It's like having a big designer bag for less money. And I would recommend you to have it before the price skyrockets, because you guys know this is inflation and everything is going up. The bag retails for $490 if I'm not mistaken. I will leave information in the description box, but the bag is really cheap for its quality. It is very durable, it is sturdy, it is low maintenance. I mean, you get a lot for the price. So I think if you are somebody who loves bag and you are in need of everyday handbag without breaking the bank, try this bag. Try this bag and see for yourself, but I'm sure you will not be disappointed. I highly recommend this bag. So guys, this is the end of my updated polene bag numero 1 review. I hope you found it informative and helpful. And if I missed anything at all, let me know in the comments, because I know by now many of us already own this bag and I would love to know what I missed. And please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay safe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.